Number 1. Pioneer AVH4200 NEX 2-DIN receiver with 7-inch motorized display. Universal double-DIN DVD, CD, AM, FM, MP3, WMA, IAC, FLAC, NEX receiver with 7-inch motorized display, built-in Bluetooth, series-free, ready, HD radio, Spotify, and App Radio 1, AVH-X 5800 BHS. By Pioneer. The AVH4200 NEX DVD receiver incorporates Pioneer Network Entertainment Experience, NEX, an innovative combination of built-in features and cloud-based services that connect with your smartphone or tablet to offer familiar apps and interfaces when you're in the car. And best of all, it'll work with Apple or Android phones. The Pioneer line of in-vehicle entertainment products offers the quality that goes far beyond the traditional car stereo. Innovative Pioneer systems are created to fit your digital lifestyle. Top-of-the-line audio and video, seamless connectivity and ease of use. That's what you've come to expect from Pioneer.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 2. Pioneer DEHX 6900BT Vehicle CD Digital Music Player Receivers. If you can skip some of the bells and whistles, the Pioneer DEHX 6900BT in-dash car stereo system is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious buyers. Whether it's already enabled in your vehicle or not, the Pioneer adds Bluetooth connectivity, so you can wirelessly stream music and answer, and end, phone calls hands-free through the car's speaker system. There's also a front panel USB and AUX input for hooking up various gadgets, including an iPhone or handheld music players. Featuring an onboard EQ 5-band equalizer, this device offers powerful, high-quality audio for the price. According to reviewers, customers particularly like the dual-zone color customization of the display and buttons, but many note that even on its brightest setting, the LED screen is too dim to see, particularly in harsh sunlight. Number 3. Sony XAVX100 CarPlay Android Auto Media Receiver with Bluetooth. Sony's 6.4-inch Bluetooth integrated stereo unit aims to make using your Android smartphone on the road as simple and safe as possible, and the brand's well-earned reputation doesn't disappoint. The in-dash receiver sports a clear touchscreen with an ergonomic rotary dial that is easy to operate. It responds to voice commands and features integrated buttons that launch sound control, offering multiple options for navigating your Android apps and music. The stereo's sound is exceptional thanks to intricate sound controls that can be adjusted via the dynamic stage organizer on your dashboard. The powerful built-in 4x55W power amp gives you all the volume you can handle and offers extra bass to support music that plays at a lower frequency. Bluetooth and rear-view camera compatibility make this speaker an all-around great choice. While most reviewers love this unit, a few noted that its size and wiring placement can be a little awkward when installing. Number 4. Alpine ILX F309 Halo 9 Receiver. 9-inch wide VGA display with capacitive touchscreen and swipe graphical user interface. Halo 9 style display with adjustable mounting bracket and 1-DIN chassis. The screen hovers over or in front of the dash while its rear housing tapers off cleanly at the edges for a thin and modern silhouette. Various mounting positions allow for screen to be positioned to avoid features on the dash such as air vents and buttons around the radio. Works with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Access music apps directly from the favorite button. Works with Pandora Internet Radio. Compatible with Pandora for iPhone, Android. Built-in HD radio tuner with song titles, album art, and station info. Sirius XM ready. 1 HDMI input. iData link connectivity for vehicle information and parking assist display on compatible vehicles. My Favorites function provides custom shortcuts to favorite audio sources, places, phone numbers and more. FLAC, MP3, WMA, AAC, KAAC, music playback and AVI. MPEG-4 video playback via USB. Bass engine square feature provides independent adjustment of bass sound type in crossover settings. Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming. Universal camera input with guideline display via optional multi-camera switcher. Distance guideline display for rear-view camera. 9-band parametric dual HD EQ. 6-channel time correction. Media Expander HD. Compatible with Alpine accessory control module. KAC001 sold separately. Compatible with Alpine TuneIt app for iPhone and Android for sound tuning via smartphone. Number 5. Alpine CDE HD 149BT Single-DIN Bluetooth Car Stereo with HD Radio. The Alpine Single-DIN Bluetooth Car Stereo comes with high-quality HD radio signals for clean and clear reception. Its peak power gives it an output of 50 watts through 4 channels, while its RMS power offers 18 watts with 4 channels. It has preamp RCA outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer. The device comes with a 9-band built-in equalizer with LCD text display with 4 selectable colors and includes a 105 decibels with an AM, FM tuner and CD signal to noise. It's compatible with your iPhone and Android smartphones too. You can stream Pandora internet radio from your phone and capture Sirius XM satellite radio signals. Some customers noted that the system has a tendency to glitch with Pandora if using a Samsung S3, and others mention occasional freezing when using Bluetooth. However, for the most part, online reviewers said the sound quality and set of features can't be beaten for the price.